So this is how I turned my boring looking Android phone into an iPhone, and how you can do this too, let's see in this video. But before that, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more informative videos like this. So without wasting any further ado, let's get into the video. So first of all, you need to install this application. I'll provide the link in the description, so no need to worry. So after installing the app, just go to your setting to set this as your default launcher. So go to your setting, click on home screen option, and here you can see default launcher option. So click on that and click on iOS 14 launcher, which you have just now installed. So when you set this iOS 14 launcher as your default launcher, it will change the whole UI. That means it will change the whole theme of your mobile phone into the iPhone. So the next thing is it will ask you some permission. So just click on allow option and give some necessary permission which it will require to work smoothly on your phone. Now it kinda looks like iPhone, but let's change the wallpaper first. Now here I am after changing the wallpaper and it looks awesome. Now this launcher does have some iPhone features, like as you can see this control center. You can use this control center without any issues. Also you can open the dashboard like this, and also the notification panel by sliding from a left corner. So we are almost done, but these buttons kinda look awkward on this setup. So let's change this. Now to remove those buttons, just go into your settings. So these settings might be different in other phones. So here I am using my Redmi device. So now just go to display option, and here go to full screen display option, and here choose gesture mode. So after turning on this gesture mode, those navigation buttons will disappear, and now you can navigate using gestures. And now here you are. You can use your Android device like an iPhone, and you can turn any Android device into iPhone lookalike. And you can explore some other features like adding some widgets onto your home screen, and you can enjoy this application. And yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you liked and enjoyed this video. If you do, then do give it a like and make sure to subscribe. I'll meet you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.